Tired of project budgets that are more fiction than fact? Let's turn those budgeting nightmares into well-defined financial forecasts in just 90 seconds. Step 1. Create a cost breakdown structure, or CBS. Think of it as your project's financial family tree. Break down your project into smaller, manageable tasks and subtasks. This granular approach ensures no cost is overlooked. Next, let's talk resources. Assign resources, people, equipment, materials to each task. Estimate the quantity of each resource needed and their associated costs. For example, calculate the labor costs by multiplying the hourly rate by the estimated hours. Time for resource allocation. Optimize your project timeline by efficiently allocating resources across different tasks. Identify any potential resource conflicts and address them early on to prevent delays and cost overruns. Now, let's dive into risk assessment. Identify potential risks that could impact your budget. Delays, material price increases, scope creep. Assess the probability and potential impact of each risk. Create a contingency fund based on your risk assessment. Allocate a percentage of your total budget to a contingency fund. This acts as a safety net to cover unexpected expenses. Aim for 510% depending on the project's complexity and risk level. Finally, add up all the individual task costs, resource allocations, and your contingency fund to arrive at your estimated project budget. This figure should be a realistic forecast, empowering you to manage your project finances effectively. With a well-defined CBS, realistic resource allocation, a solid risk assessment, and a contingency fund, you're equipped to create accurate and manageable project budgets. Now go manage those projects. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more project management tips.